Have you ever felt that you're not clear on your topic? Have you ever felt that, even after going through the struggle of finding your topic again and again, still there are so many confusions around your niche and people exactly don't know what you do? If that's you, then hi, my name is Gargi Arya. Welcome to the channel where we help you to design a life and business that you can be proud of. And today, as I spoke in the last video one day before, I had told all of you that we are going to be starting a challenge related to what are the 15 checklists that you need to follow when it comes to your Instagram branding. And the first thing that you need to understand is around niche finalization. I can understand if you're a beginner, आपके लिए niche final करना is not easy because there are so many things that go on. Like you have done various certifications and now you're into that loop how to exactly frame it up and go ahead with one topic. But here's something that I want to tell you. Always ask yourself, what is one topic that I can start with? Like I will speak about my niche journey sometime later. Like it took me 2 years to understand what exactly is my topic, what is something that I want to talk about. And today I know that I'm good in life coaching, inner child healing, and business coaching, that is helping coaches with organic marketing, content creation, personal branding. But when I started, those 2 years didn't mean that I didn't do anything. I was just exploring. I was open to failing. I already built a community. Let me tell you, I already built a community even when I was still figuring out my niche. So this is something that I want to tell you. Like, please make sure that you stick to the video because I'm going to give you certain questions to answer which will help you to get clarity on your topic. So, I still remember when I was struggling a lot with my topic, like even after hitting Hall of Fame by one of my mentors, Siddharth Rajshekhar, even after getting the Hall of Fame award that is hitting 3 lakhs in your coaching, I was like still very confused, and there came a point in my life in 2023 when I had stopped coaching for 6 months because I was too confused with everything that was going on. That was a transition that was happening in life coaching, in business coaching, in my end. So the only thing that one of my mentors she brought me in a call and she told me that, Gargi, just ask me or answer me a question that I'm going to ask you. What is your story? And I said my story is around depression. And I was just trying to go into business coaching at that point of time. And she said, then don't you think that there's a full gap between what exactly happened as your story and what are you doing today? Like there's no problem even if I'm a business coach, but I have always believed that people should start with personal development first rather than becoming a coach. And that's when I was into that loop just because I was feeling mujhe saath mein leke chalna hai. And can I tell you, the first thing that I learned from this experience of my niche finalization was always start with one funnel. Don't focus on so many things at the same time. Like I keep getting to hear that, Gargi, you launch so many new initiatives every now and then. It's because I don't think before I take action. I'm somebody who just goes by intuition without taking a pause, and I end up in a loop where I feel stuck again. So coming from a personal space, please don't take two topics together. First start with one, get successful in there, and then you go to the next. So ask yourself, what is my story? What is the problem that I have overcome in my life? Start with it. And then as you keep on going and talking to people, you will be able to figure out what is your topic. The second thing that I would like to tell you when it comes to niche finalization, once you choose a topic, it's important for you to validate it. And how are you going to validate it? You are going to go towards people. Like I used to make a Google form and I used to ask people, what is something that you are struggling with? So let's say if I started as a life coach, what are you struggling with in your life right now? What are you struggling with your career, money, relationship, health? What are the goals that you would like to achieve? What are some of the things that are stopping you? And I remember every Sunday back then I used to conduct clarity calls. तब मेरे पास responses नहीं आते थे, बहुत कम होते थे, like one clarity call I guess I used to do in a week, and there were some days where no responses used to come. So my point is, once you figure out a topic, then you start talking to people around it. Start talking to people that this is the topic I want to work on. Start talking to people that take free calls, see the feedback of people, see whether it is your strength or not, and if it proves to be your strength, then start with it. Please don't overthink, because in the starting you will never be able to find out a perfect topic. आप स्टार्ट करोगे, जब तक स्टार्ट नहीं करोगे आपको नहीं पता चलेगा व्हाट इज योर स्ट्रेंथ. आई वुड नॉट बी हियर if I would always into that overthinking whether I should start with this or that. So have the option, start with one topic, see, validate it, see according to the story, because always remember, the simplest way to find your niche is to understand what exactly in your life have you overcome. And in the description, when you see, you're going to see some questions that are there that you can answer. So you can answer those questions to figure out your niche. At least you will get a lot of clarity to start with. And if there is anything that you want me to get clear of, in the comments below, make sure that you put your thoughts or feedback, or any questions that you have around this topic. I would love to guide you on it, and if possible, I'll surely make a video on the same. See you tomorrow. So in this way, when we are going to do every day, I'll give you some tasks. So for you today, the task is to sit down, get clear on your niche. If you're already clear on your niche, refine your niche with the things that I'm going to give you in the description. Do let me know, and tomorrow we are going to move into the next step of figuring out your customer avatar. I can't wait to serve all of you. See you tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye.